Making heat map from pandas DataFrame. I have a data frame generated from Python's pandas package. How can I generate heat map using DataFrame from pandas package?
You want matplotlib.color. This gives
For people looking at this today, I would recommend the Seaborn heat map as documented here. The example above would be done as follows. Where %matplotlib is an IPython magic function for those unfamiliar.
If you don't need a plot per se, and you're simply interested in adding color to represent the values in a table format, you can use the style.background_gradient method of the pandas data frame. This method colorizes the HTML table that is displayed when viewing pandas data frames, in for example the JupyterLab notebook, and the result is similar to using conditional formatting in spreadsheet software. For detailed usage, please see the more elaborate answer I provided on the same topic previously, and the styling section of the pandas documentation.
Useful SNS.heatmap API is here. Check out the parameters, there are a good number of them. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.